Hello, this is my classroom project. My name is Carlos Alberto Perez Mendez, and this project is present to Julio Mendez. The title of my project is Use of the ICTS and the interactive program PowerPoint to improve the abilities of listening and reading in English of the student of 8th and 9th grade of the San Jose Institution Educative from Majagual, Sucre. For start my project, I have a question. What problem or issues guide my classroom project? In my observation, I can see the student have limitation or deficiency in the listening for identify and understand orders, expression or phrases simple in English. My general objective is improve the listening and reading in English throughout use of the ICTS of the student of 8th and 9th grade of the San Jose Institution Educative from Majagual, Sucre. And other objective or aims, identify different daily routine inside reading text or conversation in English, recognize some regular or irregular verbs in English inside of statements or tests and pass it appropriately to past simple. And encourage the participation active of the students in the different activities in class. My project had the next methodology. I start they select the population or grade for do the practice and project, a study of the physical and technological context that have the institution, select the method, select of the topic with support of the advisor teacher, design of the lesson plan and the didactic material as a flashcard and audios, and develop or places and record of evidence as videos or photos. Next, apply the proof or exam, and finally, verify of result throughout of the classes and after of the exam. Okay, in this picture you can see my advisor teacher Dilsana Cervera with students in different places in the school. For design, planning and develop my project, I use technology tool as computer, video bin, and a speaker for the audios. For present my lesson, I used the PowerPoint. This is the program select for this in the interactive class. Here we have an example for or to introduce the theme path. I present the timeline, the students, and the different times, present, future, and past. And a student, according to the picture, dislocate this picture in the position correct. For example, the student is in present, the people in the championship is in past, the war is more back in the past, and the woman is it in present. In this picture, different students participate or interactive in class with tool with the presentate or with the presentation in PowerPoint in the with different classes. Now here we have the exercise of listening. The student listen on audio and were different teenagers talking about the activities, and the student write the letter correct in the chart. For example, listen please.
Track 39.
Hi, I'm Caleb, and I am from Sydney in Australia. On Tuesdays and Fridays, I have piano lessons in the morning. On Monday evenings, I play football with my friends. In the evening, I read or watch TV.
Okay, this only is one teenager, but in the audio speak Khaled, Tahami, Karima, and Brun. In this case, Caleb have only two daily routines. These some of my didactic material, a flashcard, and the other is the notebook, a word in class. This is the past simple notebook in ninth grade, sorry. And this is the different class, the students with the interactive with the tool. It's order the times in the daily routines, or order the daily routine in different hour or time in day. For the evaluation, two tests were carried out to evaluate the process, one for the daily routines and other the simple pass in 8th and 9th respectively. Next, we have different exam with different score according the answer the students. This exam is the daily routine, and this exam is the past simple. Um, in this exam, we can see different score too, and this exam have um, a test in present in the student chance time in past. Finally, we have these conclusions. It's important to use different methods when we teach a second language and not only one. In this case, we use two. For use all techniques possible and also complement with the technology for obtain better results. The use of technological tools require a minimum of knowledge about the design, the class or lesson according to the theme, on to make the most of the tool, and the student have a better disposition when presenting English from a technological perspective, and not only throughout copies, book, or copy of the board. Finally, you can see my reference used in all my projects. Okay, this is all, and thanks for watching.